syempre, ang dami ring magulang na yun ang nakasanayan. Na, kasi, mabilis, di ba? Mabilis ang effect, di ba? Sa tingin nila,
Yeah.
yun dapat ang gagawin ko kasi stricto dapat si nanay. How do you change the perspective of that belief na kinalakihan ko na to, Teacher Tina, na either mamalo, manakit, kasi yun ang pagkakaintindi ng bata. Mas makakaintindi ang bata kapag corporal. How do you shift their values or their belief system?
Maybe for some, they think it's the only option or they think it's the most effective option, like you said. Kasi nga, parang ang bilis makita na, oh, the child will stop misbehaving because napalo siya, for example. But at Papa, we try to give them another option. We show them that just because siguro ito yung common, like physical or harsh discipline is what is practiced maybe by a lot of families in the Philippines, we want to show them that there's another way and that this way is actually better, and that is through positive discipline. No? So, and we talk about this in one of our modules at MAPA na yung consequence for negative behavior has to be it has to be fair. So meaning it has to be in line with the misbehavior, diba? Always emphasize na ang konsekwensya ay hindi parusa. Kasi nga what we're trying to show is that it's a consequence for the behavior and not a punishment for the child, a punishment that will harm the child, right? And I think most parents, when they learn about this, kasi they also don't feel good naman when they spank their children, diba? They don't feel good when they scream at their children. So having an alternative way of implementing consequences, para it feels good for both the parent and for the child, and it also does a lot of good for their relationship. So that siguro in the future, we'll see less misbehavior um, because that parent-child relationship is strengthened by not using harsh discipline.
What I like with what you said was you have to deal with the behavior. It's not you're not dealing with a bad child. You're dealing with a bad behavior. So, yun po dapat ang iniisip ninyo kasi may mga magulang kasi, Teacher Tina, ako naman pinalo nung bata. Okay naman ako ngayon. Ang sagot po namin diyan mga galing MAPA at mga nagsa-psychology ay isipin niyo kung di kayo pinalo. O di mas okay kayo ngayon, 'di ba?
Yes,
So,
exactly.
ang goal po natin ay lifelong learning. Ibig po sabihin, hindi lang po yung misbehavior na ginagawa ngayon ang sinusolba ninyo. Nagfo-form kayo ng tao, nagfo-form kayo ng connection. And the more corporal the punishment, the less chances that you will connect with your child. It's not relationship based. It's just